So to begin the bench press, you are going to set up with a slight arch on your back, and you're going to pull your shoulder blades down and together. This is the same motion you can see me doing here of pulling the shoulder blades together, and then you're trying to keep them locked in that position while you're doing the bench. From here then, you're going to scoop the bar off the pins the bar is resting on, and then you're going to lower under control, keeping your elbows in slightly, touching your sternum, and from there you're going to imagine that you're pushing yourself away from the bar, so back into the bench pad until your arms reach full lockout. It's important while you're doing the bench press that you're also keeping a bit of pressure through your feet, and most of the weight should feel like it's in your upper back.